this video, I'll be showing you how to save your contacts on Google Gmail so you never have to lose them again whenever you change a mobile device. If you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you, and if you're an old member, you're welcome as well. So let's get into the video.
Now what you want to do is head over to the contacts application on your phone. Once you open it, go over to settings. Once you open the settings, scroll down a bit, you'll find default account for new contacts. Tap on it and select a preferred Google account for which you want to use for the backup of your contact. Once you tap on it, it will be set for as a default account for new contacts, and this is mine with over 1202 contacts saved already. This will save you the stress of having to copy and paste each and every contact, provided so for someone who has loads of contacts, it will be a big stress, so this is just the best option.
If you found this video very helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and also subscribe.